Everywhere we went, the mission was to meet the people and make friends, spread the goodwill. Turns out, in the end, we got back more than what we could ever imagine.
You get scared of the camera. Well, support Latino. There's very many signs. Hello? What's up, guys?
May ano kayo dyan? Dyan yung kanina? Ha? Tay. May ano ka pa na sinturon? Ay, sinturon! Marila! At yung tatay mo, sinturon! Sinturon yung tatay mo, bilis! Asan yung sinturon?
Akin na yung ano, dyan.
Asan? Bakit? Sinturon, bilis! Yan, taas, bilis! Tamo! Asan kayo punta? Aray! Si Kuya!
Magkano ko muna na ano, garnil na yung
Eh?
Talk to me. What's your name?
Just
Huh? Josephine? How old are you, Josephine?
8.
8? Go to school? Huh? You go to school? Getting smart? Learning a lot?
Ay, what?
This is what, your sister's house?
Ay, pati voices namin.
She's got a lot of makeup on. Very pretty, huh?
Lari, pangiran mo muna ako ng ano.
Seryo, wala eh. Bakit anin?
May bibigyan lang kami.
Ha?
Medyo kami na.
Isa lang, Uncle. Uncle, business bulletin. Bulletin lang, bulletin. Uncle, business bulletin. Meron kayong peoples kanina? Pahiram naman.
Alright.
Oh my God.
Let's see these two girls.
Budget!